Welcome to the video. We went to the dentist today and we're on our way home. So it should be a restock day. Let's hope. On a Wednesday, it's like 9:30-ish on a Wednesday. And they usually fill it up. So let's see how it works here. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at you, kiddo.
No way.
What do you think?
They just have one squishmallow.
I don't know.
Another one. Another one. Yeah, two squishmallows. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, let me set this down.
Dad, did I try one?
Probably not, buddy. Probably not.
That unicorn.
Which one do you want? No, that's too big. It's too big. Sit right here, though.
Please
Sit
show
right-
you.
Sit right here. It's too big.
Dad, if I'm good enough, will you
Oops.
one share that? Dad, if I'm good enough, will you give me that? Dad, if I'm good, will you could I try one?
What?
To get that squishmallow?
I can't get the squishmallow. No, 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 no.
No, if I be good, could I try to get it?
No. I didn't have to grab it. Let's go for this one. Get to look, 2 Tweeties. We got 2 Tweeties in one, kid. I got 2 Tweeties. Did you watch that? You didn't even watch it. You missed the good stuff. There's 2 Tweety birds in there. Daddy just doubled the Tweety. I rolled one in.
Look, it landed in the thing.
I know. Daddy got 2 for $1. First try, 2. Put them in the chute. We'll put them in the cart. Oh, that's a $5. Hold on. Nice one, kiddo.
Good job, Daddy.
Thank you. Hey, hold on. Benjamin, it's a lot harder than it looks, kid. I mean, you know, Daddy's got the hang of it and all, but like.
Daddy, I will help you do your videos if you with me to that. And if you let me try once for that squishmallow.
Well, we'll get it now. What dog?
Try to get that dog. Daddy, I can see my nose from my ear. Now look, look at my nose. Look at my nose.
Ah, no, look, we missed it. What do you think? Should I try one more?
Yeah, for me. Could I try one more, Dad?
Tell you what, I'll let you push it if I can get something lined up.
Wait,
All right.
wait, I know what you want. Could I get something for you?
You're not gonna be able to get the squishmallow, kiddo.
You just don't want me. You just don't want me to show you.
Huh?
I just show you.
Kid! Show me what you want to go for. Show me. Show me, because no, squishmallow, we can't get it.
When I show you, I didn't show you.
Listen,
Just show you.
this video was going so decent.
Can I show you one?
Listen to me. Oh boy. Clawing 101. The squishmallow is too big.
Dad, we did show
You hear me?
I can't show you. It's not fair.
Yeah. It's never fair, is it, kid?
Wait, what's that?
All right, I got to end this one because he's going to keep whining. But you all saw me roll these Tweeties in. I got 2 Tweety birds back to back there. First in one try, 2 for $1. So, hey, I can't beat that. All right, you know what to do. Hopefully he doesn't want it the next video. But I appreciate you being here anyway. All right, love y'all later.